Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry. It has been very crazy last week, so that's why there was only one video, one blog. I apologize. I even tried to film a bunch of videos in the aspect of, yeah, we could edit in between, and it just didn't work out. Same with the blog. All good things though. I can't disclose much information right now, but it's all very positive news. But I've definitely missed filming. I've definitely missed blogging, so it's just my way of channeling out some energy that I have, and I'm just really passionate about talking about products, makeup, skincare, hair care, the whole 9 yards. It feels good to be back, even though it was like a week hiatus at work. Everyone's just like, when's your next video? And I'm like, I'm sorry, I'm just running behind. So I've been getting a lot of feedback of what videos you guys want to see. My everyday skincare routine is a huge requested one, and my everyday makeup routine. Those have been like my two most requested, just from comments, Twitter, Instagram, just hanging out with you guys. I'm trying to just scrap out some videos I had planned and then kind of incorporate some that you guys have been requesting. So I really want to use your feedback into videos just because it's more personalized in a way, and I really appreciate that feedback. So this video, we're already in February. These are my January empties. Basically, I collected trash for the whole month of January, and I kind of just want to talk about some products that I used up and kind of talk about, did it work, did it not work, would I repurchase it, just to kind of give you guys like an idea of products that I really enjoy. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell to be notified for future videos. Yes, even if I'm MIA, I will let you know. Forewarning next time. Thank you in advance for watching this video. Thank you for being supportive and being concerned of where I was, even though I see some of you guys on a day-to-day basis, or I talk to you because I'm all about that Snapchat. I just really appreciate it. It means a lot to me that you guys actually reached out and were like, hey, video? Nah. Blog? Nah. Cool. Not cool. I shouldn't do that to you guys. Alright, let's jump into this video. The first couple products, it has to do with skincare, mainly taking off makeup or prepping your face. The first product on the list are these simple cleansing wipes. I really enjoy the simple cleansing wipes because A, I can buy them in bulk. Everyone knows about Amanda's bulk shopping obsession. Going to Costco, Sam's, or BJ's Wholesale. I can actually get these simple wipes at BJ's Wholesale. You can get 4 packs for $12.99, and in their little coupon book, you can get like a $3 off. BJ's Wholesale is really awesome because you can also use manufacturer coupons on top of the coupons that they send to you in the mail. You can get 4 packs of these, and there's 25 wipes per pack. So if you use a wipe in the morning and at night, so that's 2 weeks supply, you can tell I run through these really quickly. I love these because they're soft, gentle, they're just affordable. You can get them at Walmart or Target, but I think a standalone pack might be $4 to $5. Getting it in bulk is a really good deal to me. That's why I love Simple. If BJ's Wholesale ever discontinues them, like they discontinue some of my other favorite products, Snuggle Packs and the Shout color catchers, I'll be upset. BJ's Wholesale actually has some really good skincare in bulk, like the Simple Wipe, Micellar Water by Garnier, Neutrogena, the list goes on and on. Read it more in one of my blog posts about the wholesale love hauls. Product number 2 are also face wipes. I don't buy these on the reg. It came in a set. When I bought my last liquid facial soap of Purity Made Simple, it came with the wipes as well. I really like these wipes because they just feel more prestige in a way. I don't know if they were more moist. They just felt like they exfoliated better. They're very comparable to the Simple wipes. I don't buy the Purity ones as often because you get 30 wipes and it's like $15. To me, that's just, it's a little high end, especially if I'm only gonna get 2 weeks worth. Those were like special and kind of a treat, and it came in a set. So by themselves, I would not buy, but if it's in a set, sure, why not? The third product, I go through these a lot. Like, a lot. The Neutrogena. These are the travel size. There's 7, so I went through 21. These wipes come in handy because I go through them a lot. I mainly use them for my eyes and my lips. You can also buy them in bulk. You can get them at Sam's, Costco, and BJ's Wholesale, which is really good. And they also, each wholesale also has like their dupe or their generic brand as well. So whichever one's on sale, that's what I go for. But you can never have too many wipes, and I go through them like crazy, so wholesale, I'm telling you. The next product is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. This stuff is the best. I used the Simple brand first, and I wasn't too crazy about it. I really enjoyed the Garnier. I felt like it got the gunk off. Plus, the Simple one kind of died off for a while, then they reformulated it, but this is really good. I've only used the pink cap. I know there is a blue and a green cap as well, so I'm not sure all the differences. I do believe blue is for waterproof makeup. So the Micellar water is the first product of my skincare routine. It's just a good way just to get rid of all the dirt, all the oil, whether it's from sleeping at night or you're about to go to bed, your face is exposed to so many different things. It's just a good way to prep and prime the face before you actually apply cleanser to the face. The more you can remove off your face up front, the easier it is to clean your pores. And we all know how I feel about pores. Highly recommend that. And you can also get 2 bottles of these in bulk at BJ's Wholesale, and they usually have a coupon in their little coupon book, and you can also stack on a manufacturer coupon on top of that. I like to save for products I know I'm gonna use. I'm already at like a third way through my next bottle because I just love that stuff so much. I know you're probably going to get tired of hearing BJ's Wholesale, but I also buy my cotton rounds from there. These cotton rounds, you get 100 in each container, but it comes in one big box, and each box contains 6 of these. You're getting 600 cotton rounds for $9.99, and as I keep repeating myself, I'm just trying to ingrain in case if you guys are on the fence about wholesale shopping. I know you have to pay for the membership.
Just do it!
The overall savings, totally worth it. I use 3 in the morning and 3 at night, so a total of 6 cotton rounds per day. For the micellar water, for my toner, for my witch hazel. Stay tuned. I'm just getting ahead of myself, but I'm just really excited because I'm all about skincare. I've done damaging things to my skin, which I really deeply regret, so whatever I can do to reverse all of it, better late than never. Alright, still going on the skincare, we have this Amei Naturally Kind Morning Dew Matte Finish Moisturizer Cream. I got this in an Ipsy. I'm no longer subscribed to Ipsy. Nothing against Ipsy, it just wasn't for me anymore. But that moisturizer was okay. It was a gel, very thin layer, so it wasn't enough for me for someone who has really, really dry skin. It felt nice and it smelled nice, but it just didn't do enough for me. I need like a thick cream. Gels are very thin and they're anhydrous, but creams are very thick. Gives you a little oomph. That's just what I need personally, so if you like gels, keep using them because you have oily skin, combination skin, but for me, someone who's dry, you need a little bit more. But overall, I really liked the gel. It was nice. It was just not enough. I don't know how much it retails for, but that was a sample size. The next product, it was kind of old. I probably should have tossed it a while ago. I know that sounds really gross. I don't know what the stability or shelf life of it was. There's no indication how long you should keep it, but it's the Neutrogena Light Night Cream. I really like it because it was a really thin cream, but it was just nice. It was very hydrating, cooling on the skin. I've been using that for a while. That's what I used in my college skincare routine. It was just something easy to pick up at Walmart. I don't know how long I've had that cream, but I wanted to use it up because I just had like 2 more uses out of it. It didn't break me out, surprisingly. I didn't have a reaction. Do take labels seriously unless if you're running stability chambers. Oh gosh, I'm nerding out right now. This is what I do. That's what happens when you work in the science field, and this is the things that go through your head. Stability. I can just see myself at work. I don't want to disclose anyone's name, but if you work with me, you know who I'm emailing when I have a stability pull, and you know what he's going to say. Your samples, yeah, they didn't get pulled, or there's a tragic accident. People I work with, I love them. Shout out to my work colleagues. I love you people. You guys understand what I'm going through when I'm talking about the stability. Anyway, next product. So I found this Boscia night cream at TJ Maxx. This was $9.99. I know that's not what this fully retails for. It was a nice treat to have. It was the thickest cream I've ever put on my face at night. I know what you're thinking. It was just really hydrating. And then following with like an oil at night, it just was like ultra bam moisture. Hello. Like it was like the most moisturizing my face has been in a while. And I've been to TJ Maxx and I can't find that cream anymore. I'm just like, but I think I bought another bottle. I just can't find where it is. And what I really liked about it is that you just press it down. Bacteria and germs can't get back in. So you just pump it, 1 scoop, and you're done, which is just really nice. I really like that about products because if you keep scooping, you know, your hands are not fully clean. You're going to be exposed to bacteria, so you're always scooping and you're introducing more germs. And these science tangents I'm going on today, it's one of those days. I really liked it. I really like Boscia skincare, but I haven't really tried or explored more of their products. I just see what TJ Maxx and Marshalls carries just because it's not like they're expired products. It's mainly just like overstock or what's not in season anymore that you find at TJ Maxx or Marshalls. When I found that, and I found some other Boscia products, which will probably be in a future Empties because I'm running low on them. Really, really like their skincare, and I think they have really good ingredients. Don't quote me on that. I have not looked at all the ingredients, but it was just like really soft and gentle on the skin. Like, it wasn't irritating, it didn't make me red, it didn't make me break out, and a lot of products do maybe get like these like little bumps or enhance my redness. Like, I'm already naturally like red in the face, but some products make it even redder, and I'm just like, no. The next product I have talked about in my first video. It is the Neutrogena Rapid Clear wipes. I use these pads after I completely cleanse my face. Sometimes I get like a tingle, especially like if it's like that time of the month or I'm just having really bad breakouts. I feel like it helps like reduce my acne. I don't really get acne, but sometimes every now and then. There's also like other pads, like I know First Aid Beauty has them. I just feel like it's nice, kind of like a tone in a way. I've just been using them for so long that it's just like natural to me, whether it's helping or not. I'm gonna believe that it is. If you use them, let me know. Tell me if they work or not, or is it just in my head? I have one makeup empty. It is the Laura Geller Drama Lash Maximum Volumizing Mascara. I really like this mascara. It wasn't clumpy, it volumized, it didn't thicken enough for me, so I used it in combination with the Tarte Man Eater. It worked out really nice. It was my first time using Laura Geller mascara. For a first go around, not too bad. When I purchased it again, maybe not by itself, but Laura Geller does have a bunch of good value sets together with like eyeshadows, bronzers, foundation, blush, the whole 9 yards. I actually think I got that in a set, and I just used that up first before all the other products. Mascara has a 3-month stability shelf life after you open it. You don't want to use it any more than that because of your bacteria every time, and you stick it back in a tube. It's just gross, and it dries out really fast too. I know if you're on a budget, you're trying to extend it, you can always put eye drops in just to lubricate the formula back up. You can get like a couple more uses out of it. I'm not gonna tell you how to live your life, but that's what I do. So if your eyes start itching real bad, it might be your mascara. So I have 2 hair care products. The first one is the limited edition Kandee Gumdrop shampoo. I used the conditioner up way long ago. I think I used that up in December. I got like 2.5 months out of it because I got it on Black Friday because they were buy one get one free. But I really liked it. Congratulations to Kandee Johnson for collaborating with Organix. I really loved this shampoo and conditioner duo. Not only did it smell really good, but for like the first few weeks it made my hair really soft. I have really long hair. I know you can't tell. I chopped off 5 inches before I got married in October. Most of it's come back. Some of it hasn't, but I think also having my hair colored is playing in a factor of how it's growing back. But it is thick, frizzy, coarse, it is dry. My hair like reacts to a product for like the first couple weeks, and then it's just like, we're going back to normal. I really like Organix's formula. I think for a drugstore brand, it's really good. You can also get them at Ulta. Ulta also carries the bonus size or however you call it. So it's just really good. You can also use the $3.50 coupons off your $15 purchase at Ulta just to save a little. I'm not sure if there are Organix manufacturer coupons, but really good way to save money at Ulta. And then the next product for hair, another old one. Part of me just couldn't like just throw it away because I really liked it, and like the formula didn't feel like it went bad, but it is the Healthy Sexy Hair Soy Leave-In Conditioner. I use leave-in conditioner because of how much hair I have, and I put leave-in conditioner just to help keep my hair moisturized. I've seen a difference. My hair is usually up, except when I'm filming or if we're going on a date night with the husband. You still go on dates when you're married? For me, it's just easier just to throw my hair up, and I think it's just an easy way just to keep the moisture locked if I just leave a leave-in conditioner. Healthy, sexy hair. Sexy. I think they have really good quality products. You can pick them up at Ulta. TJ Maxx also carries them. Target and Walmart also carry this. I think CVS and Walgreens do too. You can find this product almost everywhere. It's just a really good product. They are a little bit more high-end than the typical drugstore, but it's hard to find a good leave-in conditioner, and I am a strong believer of you do get what you pay for, so I would lean more towards that brand compared to like the Suave leave-in conditioner. No hate on Suave because I do love Suave. It just depends how much love my hair needs. I take good care of my skin, and I kind of neglect my hair, and it's dyed, so chemicals.
Hello darkness, my old friend.
Anyway, so I have some teeth products. I'm obsessed with teeth. If you don't know me, teeth is one of like the first things I would notice about anybody. I used to be obsessed with like whitening my teeth, and I can't whiten them anymore because of how sensitive they are. Teeth, oh my gosh, I'm just so obsessed with teeth. Perfect teeth, white teeth, straight teeth. Teeth! The first teeth product I have is the Colgate Baking Soda and Peroxide Whitening Toothpaste. I got it in bulk at Costco one time. I was intrigued about the baking soda and peroxide whitening as opposed to like the Crest toothpastes. I really prefer Crest over Colgate, but I wanted to try this combination out, and for me it has been working pretty well. The Colgate and the Crest have different formulations to their toothpaste. Colgate's seem to be a little bit thicker than the Crest, but the Crest tastes better, so it was just kind of one of those. It was on sale, that's why I bought it. For me, it worked out nice. You know, it didn't taste bad or anything, it just wasn't my number one choice. The next product is the Crest Pro Health Invigorating Clean. I really liked this mouthwash because after you spit, you saw like little clumps in the sink, and you're just like, ew, that was like random gunk that I did not get with my toothbrush. It's just nice. I like Crest's mouthwash because it's gentler compared to Listerine. I just like Crest because it's softer and doesn't burn as much. So also buy them in bulk as well when they're on sale. Majority of this you can buy in bulk. We're moving on to the next product. I loved this soap. It smelled so good. It smelled like men's cologne. It just felt like really nice. After like you wash your hands and you're like, I just had to throw it in there because it smelled really good, and I'm hoping Bath & Body Works brings it back. It was just a really good scent, and I hope I bought some more. Definitely my favorite scent of this past Christmas that they carried. And then like the last products I have a couple shower gels. I have the Love and Sunshine by Bath & Body Works and the Pink Chiffon. Those are just like really like just nice year-round scents that Bath & Body Works carries. It's not like a special limited edition scent. So yeah, that's it for them. The next product was also by Bath & Body Works. It was the Coco Shea Exfoliator Scrub. I love this so much I had to cut open the tube to get every last ounce of that product, but Bath & Body Works is discontinuing, or did discontinue. I'm so sad because it had Coco Shea in it. It was just so soft, but it was an exfoliator, and it was just so nice. I just so happy with how it performed, and it really helped me because I have my dry skin, and it exfoliated really well like before I shaved. So why they discontinued it, I don't know. Bad mistake, Bath & Body Works. Please bring it back because I was a huge fan. And this next product was the Amazing Grace Shower Scrub. Was not as good as the Coco Shea one, but this one was by Philosophy. It was pretty good. I think they have olive oil in their exfoliators, which is really nice because it's soothing and you don't feel like, I mean, you feel greasy, but it's more like moisturizing than like a greasy feel. There's something about that Coco Shea, and it's just like, I can't get past how much I loved it. Not much compares to it, and I'm just like really sad. But I did pick up a few tubes from Semi-Annual just because I want to use it again. Maybe they are just reformulating or they're just reevaluating packaging. I hope to see that come back. This concludes my trash for January 2018. I appreciate you watching this video and your love and support. It means a lot to me. Let me know what products you have used or products that are similar to these that you would use in substitute or that's a dupe to any of these products, because I am always in search of trying new products for holy grails. Also, disclaimer, some of these may not work for you because I have different skin, I have different hair, so nothing's the same. So please don't get upset with me if you try out a product and it does not work out for you. This is what works for me. I can leave some details in the description box below about my hair, my skin, and this is why I use these products. So thank you again. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I plan on doing one for February as well. Don't forget to leave a comment about your favorite products, what you use. But yeah, see you at the next video.